Good day everyone, my name is Maria Concepcion Terras from BSHM2B. Today I will demonstrate the a la carte table setup and food service. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Atena's Spirit Restaurant. May I ask if you have any reservation?
No.
May I suggest a table for you, ma'am? A table for how many?
One only.
Which do you prefer, ma'am? Non-smoking area or smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
This way, please. Would this table be alright for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. Excuse me, ma'am, may I hold the table napkin for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. I will be right back to get your water. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your water for your refreshment. Excuse me, ma'am, I will be right back. Excuse me, ma'am, may I present to you our menu?
Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like to have your bread now?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am, I will be right back to get your bread.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am, where's your bread?
Thank you.
Do you need anything else, ma'am?
Nothing.
I will be right back, ma'am, once you are ready to get your order. Excuse me, ma'am, can I take your order?
Yes. I want Caribbean Sunset for my appetizer
Caribbean Sunset.
and creamy carrot soup for my soup and beef Wellington for my main course.
In your beef Wellington, ma'am, how would you like to cook with it? Well done, rare, or a medium?
Well done.
For your wine, ma'am, would you like to have our famous Roma with Tasa at Cabinet 7 to complement your meal?
I'd like to try it.
For your dessert, ma'am, would you like to try our bestseller, a trifle chocolate cake brownie?
Yes.
Would that be all, ma'am, or if there's anything else that you want to add to your meal?
Nothing.
Okay. May I repeat your order, ma'am? For your cocktail appetizer, you ordered the Caribbean Sunset and creamy carrot soup. For your main course, you ordered a beef Wellington with the well done soup. And then, for your red wine, you ordered a Rocca Ventosa Cardinal Savannah. And for your dessert, you ordered trifle chocolate cake brownie. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, ma'am, your Caribbean Sunset will be served in 5 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, finish your Caribbean Sunset.
Thank you.
For your creamy carrot soup, ma'am, will serve in 10 minutes. Okay, right. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your creamy carrot soup. For your main course, ma'am, it will serve in 15 minutes. Okay, enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am, are you done with the doctor? Can I move this for you?
Yes.
I'll be right back. May I present to you your wine pack? The order of Ventosa 2020 vintage red wine Cabernet Sauvignon. It has 13% alcohol and derived from originated from Italy. Would you like to try it, madam?
Yes.
How's the taste, ma'am?
It is good. Pour more, please.
Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am, how was your food?
It was good. It's delicious.
Thank you. May I remove the plate, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am, I will be right back to serve your dessert. Okay? Excuse me, ma'am, first your chocolate cake brownie. Would you like to have a coffee to complement your dessert, ma'am?
Warm coffee, please.
Okay. I will be right back, sir. Excuse me, ma'am, first your brown coffee. Enjoy your dessert. Thank you. Is there anything else you need, ma'am?
I'd like to ask for my bill.
Okay, ma'am, I will be right back to get your bill. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to pay in a credit card or cash?
Cash only. Excuse me, here's the bill.
I will be right back to get your change and receipt.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for dining with us. Hope to see you soon.
Okay, thank you.